Hello, friends. The steps I'm going to explain today come from technicians who have years of experience working in this well-known appliance workshop, so don't worry, we're going to fix this. When the E03 code appears on a candy washing machine, it always alerts us that something with the water drainage isn't working properly. At the workshop, we've seen many cases where customers report that the cycle finished, but water remained in the drum, and the display showed this code. This tells us that the washing machine is protecting itself. It doesn't want to continue with standing water, preventing clothes from staying soaked or the pump from overworking. While inspecting these machines, we notice that many customers describe the wash starting normally, but then the water flow decreases or stops, and that's when E03 appears. The first thing we think of as technicians is the pump filter, because it's very common for it to get clogged with lint, coins, or buttons trapped where the water is supposed to exit. A blocked filter prevents the pump from draining correctly, and the washing machine interprets it as a serious fault. At the same time, we've seen that the drain hose can be a silent troublemaker. Some customers mention it was bent behind a cabinet or pressed against the wall, which prevents water from flowing freely. In these cases, even if the pump works perfectly, E03 appears because the water can't reach the drain and the machine enters protection mode. Additionally, we can't ignore that the drain pump itself may have issues. On several occasions, customers have mentioned hearing strange noises during the drain cycle, as if the pump was struggling. Upon opening the casing, we sometimes find debris blocking the impellers or that the pump is simply worn out. When this happens, the system detects that it can't move water properly and triggers the error code. Another important factor is the water level sensor. This small component tells the electronics how much water is in the drum and when to start draining. If it's dirty or faulty, it can send incorrect signals and make the washing machine think something is wrong, even if the mechanical drainage is fine. Some customers report that E03 continued appearing even after cleaning the filter, and that's when the sensor becomes the main suspect. Workshop experience has also taught us that checking electrical connections is essential. An intermittent signal from the sensor or a loose wire can confuse the washing machine and cause E03 to appear intermittently. Technicians always recommend making sure everything is well connected and that there's no moisture or corrosion on the contacts, because even something small can make the machine think the drain is blocked.